Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some maths. To start our brain thinking, we are going to have a go at finding the missing takeaway number. Okay, so here are some buses. So first there were 4 people on a bus. Then 2 got off. Now, how many have we got left? Can you shout it out? Brilliant, you are right. There will be 2. Fantastic. Next one. First, there was 6 birds on a branch. Then 3 flew away. Now, how many have we got left? So we start with 6. Then 3 blow away. Blow away? Fly away. How many have we got left? You are right. It is 3. Now, this is tricky. So I've got first, we don't know how many there are. Then we've got the then, which is 3. Then we've got 2. What will the first be? Brilliant. The answer is 5. And the reason why we know that is if we look at the then, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 5 initially, then 3 were taken. Well done. Story about Mr. Grumpy's outing. So this is Mr. Grumpy. Mr. Grumpy owned a boat and his house was by a river. One day, Mr. Grumpy went out in his boat. "May we come with you?" said the children. "Yes," said Mr. Grumpy, "if you don't squabble." "Can I come along, Mr. Grumpy?" said the rabbit. "Yes, but don't hop about." "I'd like a ride," said the cat. "Very well," said Mr. Grumpy. "But you're not to chase the rabbit. It's not called Mr. Grumpy, it's called Mr. Gumpy." Silly Miss Rossie. "Will you take me with you?" said the dog. "Yes," said Mr. Gumpy, "but don't tease the cat." "May I come, please, Mr. Gumpy?" said the pig. "Very well, but don't muck about." "Have you a place for me?" said the sheep. "Yes, but don't keep bleating." "Can we come too?" said the chickens. "Yes, but don't flap," said Mr. Gumpy. "Can you make room for me?" said the calf. "Yes, if you don't trample about." "May I join you, Mr. Gumpy?" said the goat. "Very well, but don't kick." For a little while they all went along happily, but then the goat kicked, the calf trampled, the chickens flapped, the sheep bleated, the pig mucked about, the dog teased the cat chased the rabbit hopped, the children squabbled, the boat tipped, and into the water they. Then Mr. Gumpy and the goat and the calf and the chickens and the sheep and the pig and the dog and the cat and the rabbit and the children all swam to the bank and climbed on out to dry in the hot sun. "We'll walk home across the field," said Mr. Gumpy. "It's time for." Oh, look at them having their tea there. "Goodbye," said Mr. Gumpy. "Come for a ride another day." The end. Now, I have got a boat. I've got a boy, a dog, another boy, a hen, a sheep, a girl, and a cat. Okay, and we are only allowed to put 8 legs on the boat. So I have got the boy who's got 2. I've got the girl who's got 2. I've got the other boy that's got 2, and I've got the hen. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the boat only fits 8 legs in. Right, there must be another way I can do it. So let's put them back. This time I'm going to try a different one. I'm going to try the dog, the sheep, and the sheep has got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dog has got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 add 4 equals 8. You're right. Well done. I'm going to add the cat this time. So I've got the sheep that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a cat's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 add 4 equals 8. Well done. Oh, have I got a different? Oh, I have. I've got the sheep that's got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got the man who's got 1, 2, and I've got the girl who's got 1, 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm